My name is Ami Bornstein, and I'm the Director of Product at Outdoor Research. And on behalf of the faculty and the Technical Advisory Committee of the Apparel Design and Development Program here at Seattle Central, once again, I'd like to welcome you to the second in a series of discussions about innovation across people, products, and production in the local apparel and equipment industry. The whole series is focused on innovation, and at our last event, we learned from our panelists about what they go through to generate new ideas and inspiration for new products. Tonight, we'll explore this topic from a different perspective. While we're still focused on innovation, tonight we will turn to how that innovation can occur in a way that reduces our impact on the planet.
The first word I always think when I hear the word sustain is kind of maintain. And as I've delved deeper into this field and this emerging idea, I feel like sustainability is not enough. I feel like we have a bigger obligation that it can't be less bad, it has to be more good.
Sustainability for me is making whatever it is I make it out of something that people are throwing away and don't have any, don't see any use for or value in it. And I take it a bit further. I kind of put a political spin on it, and I say it's kind of a metaphor for discarded people. People of color have historically been discarded after they've been used. So for me, just being a responsible person, you don't throw away things, you don't throw away people, you find use for them, you make it better, you make it use, you give it value again.
I think about the word away a lot. Like, what does away mean? Like, where does it go when you throw it away? Like, it means you just can't see it anymore, but it's still there somewhere. And so I think for me, sustainability and with the way I think about it at Alchemy Goods is the sort of holistic approach, like including externalities, like what happens before and after the part that you're playing. And I think that means not only from an environmental perspective, but also I think about it from a business perspective in terms of, maybe you're familiar with triple bottom line accounting, so you think about people and profit and planet all at once.
My father used to create all kinds of things out of stuff that folks were throwing away. My mother did the same. So it was just the way I was raised to try to use whatever it is you can get your hands on and then make whatever it is you need.
I had a bunch of bike tubes in my apartment. I had a messenger bag, and it was stolen from me, and I thought, rather than buy a new one, I'll take these bike tubes and see if I can make something out of them, make a replacement messenger bag. So it really was a situation where necessity was the mother of invention. I needed a bag, and I had these materials, and I think, I guess I like that way of designing something where you see, okay, how can I be sort of restorative in the product that I'm producing? How can the product actually solve a problem? Not only the problem I have, but the problem of a waste material that's out in the landscape.
If we do not stand up and move in this direction, we will not be here in 5 years, because I think any company that doesn't sort of understand or commit themselves to this important idea and this important way of being, I don't know. I mean, I think people are more and more voting with their consumer dollars.
I'm from the Northwest, and there was a slogan. It said, keep Washington green. This was back in the 70s. And I internalized that. So I'm going to make art out of stuff that people throw away. It's the responsible thing to do.
We're partnering with a chemistry company in Switzerland called Lenzing. Some of you in the business may know about them. We're looking at ways to extract cellulose from existing textiles. Can we respin it? Can we make new fabrics? But I think, and this is definitely a William McDonough idea, which is, we have to start at the design process. Like, what are the things that we're making from the beginning, like creating new fabrics that at the end nourish the earth?